I have a question of how much time do you spend to prepare your online class? What is the major preparation? Are there any additional efforts needed to teach an online class in an international context? Well, when I create a 2 credit hour online course, I first prepare each week's student learning outcome so student can understand what is expected of them by the end of each week. Further, a semester usually consists of 16 weeks. So before the semester starts, all of these outcomes needed to be planned out. Along with these outcomes, reading and writing assignments should be arranged in advance. And class activities should also be plotted out in advance. These preparations are the main framework of an online course, and I usually spend 3 to 4 hours a day for 2 weeks usually, in order to complete all of these tasks. Whether I have domestic students or international students, online teaching involves the production of videos with the closed captions and subtitles for each lecture. Video editing itself is not especially difficult, but when it comes to subjective material like biology, the caption generator makes a lot of errors when technical terms are being used. Fixing these errors takes a lot of time, and sometimes you become tempted to push this task onto teaching assistants, but they sometimes ask a lot of questions on specific terms and concepts to make sure that everything is correct. So it ends up taking more time than it would have if I was editing it myself. So simply put, since I know that I want to be teaching, it is generally easier for me to do it myself. For international student teaching, which I'll be participating in over the summer, the time difference is one of the biggest challenges. The students may prepare evening lectures, which means that I need to teach at 6 or 7 in the morning. In addition to the time difference, many international students have difficulty understanding specific keywords in a lecture, so I may attempt to provide a list of keywords beforehand for them to look over. Finally, when they write assignments, I would like to allow them to use an online language translator or a dictionary in order to overcome the language barrier. My actual final comment is that I will give international students more time to digest the exam questions on the days of exams in order to help them to, as well as their domestic counterparts.